Ever feel like your truck is losing its punch and your gas mileage is heading south for no apparent reason? If your check engine light is staring you in the face, you might have a code P015A, which means your upstream oxygen sensor on bank 1 is having a delayed response when switching from a rich to a lean fuel mixture. This sensor is a critical piece of tech made of zirconium dioxide and platinum that sits right in the exhaust stream before the catalytic converter to measure how much oxygen is left over after combustion. It sends a voltage signal to the powertrain control module that fluctuates rapidly between 0.1 volts and 0.9 volts to help the computer decide how much fuel to spray into the cylinders. When this sensor gets old or contaminated, it becomes lazy and cannot switch its signal fast enough, which the computer interprets as a major performance issue. You will notice your fuel economy dropping and a general lack of engine power because the engine is struggling to maintain the perfect air-to-fuel ratio. This can be caused by a defective sensor, burnt wiring near the hot exhaust pipes, or even an exhaust leak that is letting fresh air into the system and tricking the sensor. Before you run out and buy a new sensor, you must make sure you do not have any other codes for misfires or mass airflow sensors, because those will cause this oxygen sensor code to pop up even if the sensor is perfectly fine. A professional will use a scan tool to watch the live data stream while the engine is at operating temperature to see if the voltage is cycling as fast as it should. If the signal is moving too slowly or staying flat, you can use a digital voltometer to check the resistance and wiring integrity, but remember to disconnect the control modules first so you do not fry them with the meter. If you find an exhaust leak or a cracked manifold, you need to fix those first, because an oxygen sensor cannot work correctly if the exhaust system is not sealed. If the problem persists after checking the basics, it is a good idea to have a shop look at it, since reaching those sensors in tight engine bays often requires special tools and a lot of patience.